surprise.
It's gonna be a surprise.
Yeah.
So you're not gonna tell Santa what you want for Christmas tomorrow? No?
It's for surprise.
It's a surprise.
Yeah.
So, but he's not gonna know what you want if you don't tell him.
Hello. Hello.
You tell him that you want a...
Teeny tiny present.
You just want a teeny tiny present?
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing big.
Nothing big.
No, just a teeny tiny one. That'd be good.
Yeah. Buzz can have one.
Buster can have one?
Yeah.
What kind of present will he have?
A blue one. Teeny tiny blue one.
A teeny tiny blue one. Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
I can open that.
Oh, Boston will open it.
Yeah. I'm going to help him.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
So nice.
2 of them.
2?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Boo 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 doo. I found a squirrel.
There's a squirrel out there?
Look, he's over there.